Welcome to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to teach you how to create Tesco Bank online account. Firstly, open your preferred browser. I prefer Google. Now after opening Google, all you have to search is tescobank.com. After clicking it, you will be led to the official page of Tesco Bank. Now at the top right corner, you can see the profile logo. You have to click there. Now click on the option register. Again, you will be led to this page. Now scrolling down a bit, you can see the information box where you have to fill out your details, your first name, your surname, likewise your date of birth, and your postcode number. Likewise, there is the section of how do you want to manage your account. You can choose any of the option, but we are choosing credit card. Now write down your credit card number. Again, there is the marketing option. There are two options, but we will go with the first one. Now write down your email address. Now recheck all the details once again, and if all are fulfilled, all you have to do is click on the next button, and that's how you will be creating your Tesco Bank account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe Financial Hub. Thank you.